Now we need to find the length of arc AB, right? They give the AB length means this line length, right? This line segment length they given. They ask this arc length, right? AB arc, this curve one. So how to get it? Right here, little things you need to remember here. We need, actually this is sector, no, this is a sector, part of a circle, right? So this is a sector. Get to this arc length, we can use 2 pi r formula. The problem is we need this angle, right? This angle we need to know, right? Theta over 360, like that we write. Now here we need to know this angle. How to get this angle? Because they give the even AB length, AB line segment length, it is 5.18, no? So how to find this length? Right, you can use here cosine rule, right? Cosine rule, like this. Okay, I will write the first cosine rule. Cos A equal what the B square plus C square minus A square over 2BC. You can write either another other way also, cosine rule, and then you have to simplify and get it, but I will write this way. Now here we need to find the angle, no? So this way it's easy, but you don't need to remember both way. If you remember only one method, one way, it's okay, right? Anyway, now let's see, try to find this angle here. Actually here just put the values and apply to calculator, you can get the directly final answer, but I will show you using few more step. Like I will write here cos A. Now I will apply this value. Now this angle, no, we need to find this angle, and in a triangle when you need to find one angle using cosine rule, you need to know that two sides which make that angle, right? This angle made by these two sides, no? Right, now we know that B and C represent that two side length. So I need write now this for this angle. Now we need to find this angle made by this side and this side. So that two side is this, and the in front of this angle, what the side that is represented by A, right? That's the idea here. Now okay, now here this angle we need to find. So I will write this B and C represent these two sides, no? What are the side make that angle, this angle. So here 10 square plus 10 square, because this side also 10, no, must be, because radius, no, in the same circle, minus A. A they given, no, this side, that is 5.18 square over 2 into 10 into 10, again same, no, BC. So yeah, then here you can get the final answer like this. Someone can do this one by at once, or one by one. This enter to calculator, get the answer, and then this enter to calculator, get the answer, and right, and like that. It's up to you, right? Okay, here answer will be if you apply this to calculator, you will get like 0.8658 like that, right? Now when we need not the cos A, we need A, that means this angle, right? Not the cos value of that angle, we need this angle. So what you have to do, A cos inverse, right? Then 0.86585, like that. Few values you have. If you get to like 3 significant figure, 4 significant figure, it's enough. Right, now here you will get here this angle has 30 point like this, or the 30.0200 like that, but we can get it to round up to unit place to the whole number, like 30 degrees. So here angle is actually we can think as 30 degree. Okay, now we can find this arc, right? That's the idea here. You need to find using cosine rule first of all this angle, right? Try to understand. Here you can use either this complete value in your calculator, or get to 3 significant figure or 4 significant figure, and like that. Anyway, now here the final answer, but you should give in 3 significant figure, right? Okay, now here we know this angle, then very easy we can find this arc length. for the AB arc. AB arc will be how theta over 360. Then that means here 30 over 360 into 2 5 r mean here you can apply r as 10, right? So very simple. Here your answer you will get in like 5.235 like that. So they asked to three significant figures, so you can write 5.2 here 5, no, so you should add 1 to here. If this is 5 or more than 5, you should add here 1, right? So they asked the three significant figure, so here 3 will be 4. You should add 1 here. So this is the final answer. That means this AB arc length is 5.24.